Sawadika everyone! Today is a Q&A video special for 3,000 subscribers. I have to say thank you very much again for you guys. I will make Dalgona coffee. Are you ready? Let's go! I will start the question from Facebook page first and then we will start to make Dalgona coffee. The first question is from Mary. Hello Mary! She asked me, how can I make this? It's very easy. You just have to marinate pork, grill it. For the sauce, you just mix roasted powdered rice and then with fish sauce, a little bit of sugar, a little bit lemon juice and a lot of chili powder. And for sticky rice, tell me in the comments if you guys want to see this recipe. Let's start boiling water and during that time I will answer another question from Androngoyen. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it in the right way. He asked me, can you name some famous dishes in Thailand that related in chicken? ต้มข่าไก่ ข้าวมันไก่ ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง But you know what? Most of the Thai cuisine, you can cook pretty much any dish with any meat like ต้มข่าไก่ you can change to pork, so it will become ต้มข่าหมู Last question from Facebook from Daniel Klee. He asked me, can you tell me what are some of spices used for Thai cooking? For a fresh one, lemongrass, Thai basil, chili, ginger, galangal, and for the dry one, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, coriander seed. Yeah. Why I choose this one? Anyway, next question from Instagram. Yeah. Okay, first question is from Crazy Maori Chick. What are your favorite Northern Thailand dishes to cook? I really love Nam Prik Ong, Khao Soi, bamboo stuffed with minced pork, and also jackfruit soup. All my favorite Northern recipe is in my channel. You can go and have a look. Next question. From Olivia. Hello Nin. Hello Olivia. I love your videos. Thank you for the question. I was wondering how you met your boyfriend. Very interesting question. I used to work on cruise ship. I was waitress and my boyfriend, he also worked in the cruise ship as well as a videographer. Then we met each other, we fall in love with each other and he decided to join me in Thailand. Last but not least from Instagram, Sini. How to describe the Thai food? I would say better than Korean. I'm just kidding. Sini, she also have a channel about Korean cooking. She do it pretty good, you know. Go check out. And I will describe Thai food. They have many texture, many different tastes, and many different flavors in one dish. Let's continue the question from you guys. YouTube, Bobby Fleck, who inspired you to share your cooking skills with us? I would say my boyfriend, and I will tell you why later. The next one is also from Bobby Fleck. How did you learn to make that beautiful Asian jello? My grandmother, she make a dessert for a living, you know, so she's very good at making dessert. When I go to visit my grandmom, she's always like to teach me how to make a dessert. Even I am not good at dessert, but I know how to make it. Question from Matt. Megabytes, what made you want to create your YouTube channel? I would say my passion is about cooking and my boyfriend, see, his passion is about filming. So we talked together and we decided to put our passion, filming, cooking, together. And now it's become Nin is cooking. Following questions from my friends, Nick and Helmi. Oh yeah, I don't like it much. Oh, they asked me not only one question but 3 questions. For the first one, who is your dream collab? It will be very nice to collab with you guys in Thailand or in Sydney, and also Sydney if she interested. But for my dream, I would like to collab with Sion Young Longest. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce her name correct, but I really like her video. Thailand's Kitchen, Mark Wins, and Best Ever Food Review Show, Sony. I really like them. And the second question, who is your inspiration for cooking? Of course, it's my grandmom and my mom. They know all the Thai recipe and also local recipe as well. They are the best for me. Who is your inspiration food channel? I have a lot. Jun's Kitchen, Peaceful Cuisine, and Pailin, because I think she's the most famous Thai cooking channel. Last question from Colin. By the way, thank you very much for you always commenting and almost always be the first one on premiere. I very appreciate you. So your question is, I know a lot of your inspiration come from your grandmother, but where do you get all your recipes? As I mentioned a lot, that my grandmom and my mom, they are the one inspired me, because they taught me all the recipe that they know. And when I'm not 100% sure and I want to find something new, I go check and search on YouTube channel and on internet. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for all your questions and to be here watching my videos. You know, without you guys, I would stop my channel already. So thank you very much. I very appreciate it. If there is another question that I didn't answer, I'm sorry. But I will do Q&A again when we reach 5,000 subscribers. So share to your friend, to your family. Also, I have an announcement. From now, we decided to post 2 videos per week because we want to go all in and give our full time for YouTube. The first video will always pretty much be a recipe, and the second one will be same as well because now it's still locked down. But after, what I'm thinking is I would like to bring you guys to a local restaurant or a nice place to see more around Thailand or Chiang Mai. If you guys have any suggestions, tell me in the comment. Thanks again to being here with me. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, share to your friends, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you soon. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye.